This could be the car for you. The 2023 Honda Ridgeline. Here's a Ridgeline that's ready to handle rugged adventure in smooth, thoughtful style. Loaded with smart tech, clever storage solutions, and ingenious creature comforts, this hard-working pickup with an upscale feel is at home wherever your journey takes you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, fog lamps, backup camera, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, rear AC. Don't miss the opportunity to drive a pickup that's as multi-dimensional as you are. Come in today and drive this Honda Ridgeline.